So another chapter, Bhagavat Chakti Kari Yeshu by Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
श्री भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। कृष्ण संहिता की जय।
Jai.
भगवच्चक्तिकार्येषु त्रिविधेषु स्वशक्तिमान् विलासान् वर्तते कृष्ण जीवमायिकेषु च चित्कार्येषु स्वयं कृष्णो जिवेतु परमात्मका जरेयज्ञेश्वर पूजा सर्वकर्मफलप्रदा सर्वांशि सर्वारूपी च सर्वावतारबीजका श्रीनस्तु भगवान् साक्षात् न तस्मात् परमेव हि अचिन्त्यशक्तिसम्पन्नः स कृष्ण करुणामय मया बद्धः जीवस्य क्षेमाय यत्नवान् सदा यद्भावगतो जीवस्य तद्भावगतो हरि अवतीर्णः स्वशक्त्या क्रीडति वज्रेशः मत्येषु मत्याभावो हि कच्चापि कूर्मरूपका मेरुदण्डयुते जिवे वराह भाववान् हरि नरसिंहो मध्य भवो हि वामन क्षुद्र मानवे भार्गवो असभ्यवर्गेषु सभेदशारथि सदा सर्वविज्ञानसम्पन्ने कृष्णस्तु भगवान् स्वयं तर्कनिष्ठनरे बुधो नास्तिके कल्पिरेव च अवतार हरे भवा प्रमोद्गतिमद्भिति न तेषां जन्म कर्मादो प्रपञ्चो वर्तते क्वचित् जीवानामग्रामभवानां लक्षणानां विचारत कालो विभज्यते क्षत्रे दशधारिषिः हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 Tagore Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Tagore Hari Bol. Jaya Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Jaya Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Jaya Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Jaya Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Gurudev, 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Jai Go Premanandi, Hari Hari Bol, Shri Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki Jai, Shri Prabhupada ki Jai, Guru Maharaj ki Jai.
Karuna Bandha ki jai. Thank you very much. Wonderful. Anil, would you like to read the English translation? First 10 verses. Huh?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Mataji. Translation. The two philosophies, Advaita Veda or monism from Vedanta and materialism from Sarikhya, have been current from time immemorial. Sorry. Monism has been further divided into two, namely Vivartavada and Mayavada. Among all these philosophers, some say the material world is a transformation of Brahman, some say it is false, and some have established the material world as beginningless. Swan-like persons, however, say that although Lord Krishna is separate from all activities and their cause by his inconceivable potencies and through his three principal energies, the Lord is nevertheless present and involved in the activities of Vaikuntha, the living entities, and the material world. Sri Krishna is personally present in the spiritual activities. He is present as Supersoul in the living entities. And he is worshipped as Yagneshwara in the material world. He alone awards the results of all activities. All the existing personal expansions and all the created separated expansions, the living entities are products of Krishna's energy. Therefore, Lord Krishna is the origin of all expansions. Nothing can manifest outside of his energy. Therefore, he is the source of all forms. All incarnations of the Lord emanate from him. Therefore, he is the source of all incarnations. Lord Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. There is no truth superior to him. That Krishna is inconceivably powerful and merciful. He is ardently engaged in the welfare of the living entities who have been conditioned by Maya due to misuse of their independence. When the conditioned souls received various forms according to their nature, the Supreme Lord Krishna, by his inconceivable potency, agrees to accompany them by incarnating and enjoying pastimes with them. When the living entities accept the position of fish, the Lord accepts his fish incarnation, Matsya. Matsya is without danda. When the living entities gradually accept the position of Vajra Danda, then the Lord incarnates as Kurma. When Vajra Danda gradually becomes Meru Danda, the Lord incarnates as Varaha. When the living entities accept the combined position of incarnations of human and animal, the Lord accepts his incarnation of Narasimha. When the living entities are short, he appears as Vamana. When the living entities are uncivilized, he comes as Parasurama. When they are civilized, he appears as Ramachandra. When the living entities possess the wealth of practical knowledge, then Lord Krishna himself appears. When the living entities develop the tendency for argument, the Lord appears as Buddha, and when they are atheistic, the Lord comes as Kalki. These are well-known facts. In the course of gradual development of the living entities' hearts, the Lord incarnates in a form of material contamination. After consideration, the sages have divided the history of the living entities' advancement into 10 periods of time. Each period has different symptoms, with each successive mood superior to the previous. Each progressive mood is described as an incarnation.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank
Very
you,
interesting. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anu. Really good. Very interesting how the incarnations are evolving and how Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing that evolution from Kachvara, Nasing, Vaman, Pashuram, Ram, Krishna, Balaram, Bodha, Kalki. So very, very interesting bhajan. Thank you so much, Karuna and Anu. Bhagavat Shakti Karyeshu by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Krishna Samhita, Chapter 3, Avatar Lila, Varnam, Hare Krishna.